Yeah, hello, good afternoon, everyone. I just want to inform you all that voting has already started from the day before yesterday, but as I was busy, so I could not inform you all properly. And as you all are asking how to vote, how to do the process, you all are getting confused. So here's the video. I'll be describing in details here in this video. So make sure you listen and follow all the steps I'll be explaining right now. So first, you all have to go to the Mr. International page, organization page, either in Facebook or else in Instagram, or else I'll try to give the link below in my caption.
वोट करने के लिए सबसे पहले ईमेल डालो, नाम डालो एंड देन क्रिएट अ पासवर्ड. फिर ये वेबसाइट आगे बढ़ेगी. मिस्टर इंटरनेशनल सेलेक्ट करो और यहाँ से आप अदोंग को ढूंढो. मिस्टर इंटरनेशनल इंडिया, ये मिला मिस्टर इंटरनेशनल इंडिया. इसको सेलेक्ट करके आप एक फ्री वोट सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. हर दिन एक फ्री वोट आप दे सकते हो. तो मैक्सिमम लोगों से वोट करवाइए और मेक इंडिया विन.
So I hope everyone is clear about that, how to vote. There will be 4 options. One is free, one is free, third one is emerald, and fourth one is ruby. In free, you don't have to pay anything. It will be like one individual person can vote, one can give one vote per day, one vote per day. And for free, for emerald and ruby, it's different. Obviously it will charge from you, so even the points are also higher. So yes, you can also give on that your vote for me. So yeah, please do vote for me. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and keep sharing to all your friends, family, and make India on top. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.